Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX with the outboard optional power. If we start at the transom here, you'll notice this boat is equipped with the 200 Mercury outboard. Great power option for this boat. This boat also has the stone interior, the stone color interior, which is a nice light gray. Infinity woven carpet, which is also in the same gray. Looks really great together. Notice the other side, we got this port side seat, which has a couple different positions. This position, if you wanted to face backwards, if anybody was water skiing or other water sports tubing. The forward becomes a lounger, and then if you wanted to go all the way back, then you could face forward as the boat's underway. Nice captain's chair with a swivel and a bolster. You got your fusion stereo, analog gauges. Nice Bowery up front, plenty of room for the kids and everybody to sit. That's about it. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in inventory, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Huntington. My name is Josh. I'd be happy to hear from you.